Hi, my name is Jack. I'm going to show you how to make this cool gliding paper airplane. So first, get a piece of paper, fold it in half, and then crease it. Unfold it, take the two corners, fold them in, and then to the line, and then crease it. Do the other same thing to the same side. Then you're going to take the tip, fold it, bend it down just a little, just so it looks like that. Then you're going to take the two sides, fold them into the middle, and crease it in. Do the same thing to the other side. And then you're going to take the tip, bend it all the way down past the bottom, just a little, like that. Then you're going to take it, flip it back up, just a little. Gonna match it up so it looks just right. Like that. Then you're gonna take the two sides again, fold it down, and you're gonna do it to the other side. Make sure these folds match at the bottom. Otherwise, it's not gonna fly right. To each side. Then I'm going to fold it in half. Make sure the two things at the back are going to match together. Then fold it at the bottom and make the wings. Don't make the wings too big, otherwise it won't fly. And match it up with the other. Then fold it. Then you're going to take these two sides, you're going to fold them up. Then you have your paper airplane.